Today we have a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee in the shop. We're going to replace the factory radio here. But I was going to show you how to remove the radio first. If you need help with something else, see the website carstereohelp.com. I've got speaker removal, wire diagrams, stereo removal, antenna help, speaker help. Hopefully you can find it there. But we're going to start with our pry bar. There's several things you can do here. We can open up the bottom pocket and place our hand underneath the front edge of this panel that we're going to remove around the dash. And we can pry this panel loose and then work it all the way around with our fingers and release clips. And these clips release with a little bit of pry pressure. And this panel will wiggle itself forward and loose from the AC vents. This will allow you to pull it forward a little bit to access a connector down here with a little trigger on it. Actually, there's two connectors down here. I'm going to remove this one and the second one here. Now these connectors are keyed. There are two connectors here. One's here, one is here. And the way these connectors work is at the bottom of the larger one, there's a little trigger on it. And we're going to push this trigger down with our thumbnail that releases the lock here, and you're able to wiggle this connector loose. The lower connector, also on the bottom of it, has the same trigger. You push that down, it releases the lock, and you can wiggle this connector free. That'll allow you to remove the front panel and set this to the side. There's no need to designate which way these go because they only fit back into their connectors in one position. Now we're going to take our 7mm. There are 4 screws securing this stereo into the dash. One here on the bottom right. These seem to be pretty tight. And this will help get us out of the stereo out of the dash. Yeah, so the video. Okay.
It's okay.
Now that takes care of all 4 on top. Alright, now with all the screws removed, we're going to grasp the sides of the radio and wiggle it and pull it forward. It should release from its fit. And this is going to give us access to many more connectors. I'm going to see if I can get those around to where you can see them. But it isn't going to be that easy. We have the white antenna over here with a little trigger on it as well, and that one should push down and release. We have the yellow antenna that's below. Again, yellow antenna below. It has the trigger on the top. The white one has the little trigger on the top. We have several connectors across the back of the radio here. A white one, trigger at the bottom, push the trigger up and it releases. A little small gray one, trigger at the bottom, push it up and it releases. And the third one here on the bottom that releases the car stereo. Again, these connectors are all keyed. The yellow and white antenna leads will go back to specific yellow and white antenna leads, and the connectors, although they all look the same, they're keyed so they only fit one way. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, see our other videos for Jeep and other makes and models. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up.